What's up everybody, it's Mr. Ds18 and welcome to another unboxing videos. Today we're going to show you guys the DX3, the Deluxe 3-way component system. Now these bad boys are very similar to the DX2, but there's one cool feature. It has a 3.5 inch mid-range that makes it one of a kind. Let's check out and see what's in the box. Got Ds18 manual, 6.5 inch woofer, 3.5 inch mid-range, silky dome tweeter, and a 3-way crossover. Let's pull this guy up and let's show you guys what we got. Let's start off with the new baby, the 3.5 inch mid-range. Now this is beautiful. This is beautiful. It's amazing. So it has a rubber surround, carbon fiber dust cap, carbon fiber cone. You got that Ds18 basket. Check out the butt connectors. This is 4 ohms, and it should go into the specs in a little bit. Let's put this over here. Then let's continue with the 6.5 inches, the woofer. Check it out. Carbon fiber dust cap, carbon fiber cone, Ds18 basket, the butt connectors, ferrite magnet. Then we can go to the dome tweeter. Check out this silky tweeter, very nice, very cool Ds18 tweeter. And last, the 3-way crossover. Check this out. Ds18 black plexiglass, 3-way crossover. You got the the tweeters, the mid-range, and the woofer. Check it out. 3-way deluxe component system. Stay tuned for more Ds18 unboxing videos. I'm Mr. Ds18 and we like it loud.